Okay, welcome back, guys. In this question, we need to solve for x, and we have 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals to 16. So obviously we have 2 times 4 to the power of x on the left side, and if we divide the both sides of this by 2, we'll have 4 to the power of x equal to 8. And let's do the log of each side to see what we can get. So we'll get log of 4 to the power of x equal to log of 8, and we know 8 is 4 times 2, and on the left side we get x, so we know the x can go on the back of the log, so we have x log of 4 equals to log of 4 times 2. And if we divide each side of this by the log of 4, what we get is x equal to log of 4 times 2 divided by log of 4. And from the laws of log, we know if we have log of a times b, this will be equal to log of a plus log of b. And we have this multiplication in here, which means our x will be equal to log of 4 plus log of 2 divided by log of 4. And this would mean that log of 4 divided by log of 4 plus log of 2 divided by log of 4. So this will be 1. So our x will be 1 plus log of 2 divided by log of 4, which we know log of 4 is 2 to the power of 2. And we can take this in the back. And what we get, it will be 1 plus log of 2 divided by 2 log of 2. And this will be cancelled out with each other, and our x will be 1 plus 1 divided by 2, which will be 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2, and this will be 3 over 2. And that would be the answer for x. But let's just plug this in our equation, see what we get. So we had 4x plus 4x equals 16. So we will have 4 to the power of 3/2 plus 4 to the power of 3/2. And we know 2 squared is 4 plus 2 squared, same here. And we can multiply these two, which means 2 to the power of 3, since the 2's will be cancelled out, plus 2 to the power of 3. So we know 2 cubed is 8, so we have 8 plus 8, and that would give us the 16 that we have on the other side of the equation. And there we go. That shows that the x that we found in here is a good answer, and that would be the final answer for this question. Thanks for watching. If you have any specific question, please leave it in the comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.